So what's going on, guys? It's Timothy Ryan here, back with another video. So into this video we're gonna be going and create a web scraper. So into this part, I think you're gonna be splitting this into two videos. Into this first video, we're gonna be just going to do the GUI. Into the next video, we're gonna be going and do the back end and printing the output. So today we're gonna be using Tkinter. So let me just open my VS Code. I actually like these colors. So this neon, and also my Visual Studio Code have the neonish color though. So let's create a new file. We're gonna save it as web scraper v1.py. Then so it should turn it into a py file. So we're gonna need to import Tkinter. So from Tkinter import all. But I don't want the the font. So to change that font, just change it right here. Well, I'm using the .json .json settings, but you can change it to a UI. So I'm gonna use the Faro code. Okay, there we go. So from Tkinter import all, root equals tk. Then let's add the root title, root.title, web scraper, and then we should have a 400 by 400 window. So root.geometry. Oh, sorry, not 500 by 700, but 400 by 400. So after that, we should now go and add a root.mainloop. So root.mainloop. And we should now add, we should now test it if it's ready. So I'm gonna add some comments right there. So here, right here, import libraries, and here I'm gonna do something right here. So that's it. Save that. Let's run it. So we have a web scraper right in here. We also need some buttons and entry, so we should go with get entry, and I'll just name it ent. So ent equals entry root, and then we should type ent.pack. We should create a button. So button btn. I'll just name it bt. So bt equals button. Root, so it's the root, and let's add a text right here. So text equals scrape. The next is to pack it. So bt.pack. I think we're gonna be going and I'm gonna add into this video just a little bit of backend. So what we're gonna be adding is the feature that if you click the button, it will get the URL or something. So we should create a function right in here. So def get. So let's create a function right in here. So let's create a variable first. URL equals ent.get, and then for example, for in this case, we just need to print it first, because we just are gonna be doing the back end tomorrow or in future videos. So if we save this and run, it should work. It will not work because we didn't add the command right in here. command equals get. Save that, and let's see if it would run. It would run, and for example, we need to get our URL. For example, my trash website, because that doesn't work now. I'm gonna cut that URL, paste it right in here, scrape, and it would print that URL. So yep, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the thumbs up, don't dislike, hit the subscribe, and don't be wack. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.